Richard!
Yes!
What's going on, buddy?
Good.
How you feeling?
Good.
Yeah?
Bored.
This family, friends? What's going on here?
I actually forced them to join me.
Okay. So it's you guys. Cool.
If anything happens to them.
Nice. It happens. Cool.
Are we jumping?
We are going very shortly. The plane is right down there.
We're just gonna have some.
So it's about time to get scared.
In a few minutes, I guess.
Cool.
Yeah.
Cool. All right, man. Well, it's a gorgeous day.
Yep.
So let's go up there and have a good time.
Yep.
All right.
I'll
See you up there.
Bye.
Lyrics upon the format, filled with skill with technique, computer ADAT. My lyrical form is clouds on your brainstorm. I get hype, think, thought, flow, acrobat, sync the track, pump the track, dance missions, clubs like pros, react by slow visions. Inherited more reflects on the dance floor, blowing up and having mad people showing up, packing crowds, jam-packed venues. Needles collapse while atmospheres continue. Sprinkle that, winning like that, moving like that, hitting like that. The melody is straight. With prodigy, driven astrology. My intellect's the power. With diesel power. Blows your mind drastically, fantastically. Blows your mind drastically, fantastically. Blows your mind drastically, fantastically. Blows your mind drastically, fantastically.
Hey, buddy. Hey. How's it going? Good. About halfway up. Maybe a little more right now.
I know. Can't wait.
How you feeling?
Bored.
Bored.
Just kidding.
Cool, man.
There we go. That just made it a little more exciting.
All right, brother. We'll see you on the outside, okay? Woo!
He's gonna do all the work anyway. He's got to
Yeah, buddy.
Perfect.
How'd you like it?
Yep.
Gorgeous up there, gorgeous up there. You did a great job.
I'll do it again.
Nicely done, man, nicely done.
Thanks,
Woo!